Alright, hello everyone, welcome to Basement Fire Alarm Test 44. Let's go ahead and take a look at all the devices I have installed for today. As you can see in the pull station spot, we have this Notifier LNG-1R pull station, dual action, push and pull underneath the STI Stopper 2, which the horn on that is obviously disabled because I never have that enabled. So yeah, there it is. It's not a terribly common pull station, and I had a bit of a hard time fitting that under the stopper. So yeah, there it is. Nice notifier device. In the horn strobe spot, I have a Wheelock MT device, as you can see, but it's a little bit different. As you can see, it does not have the LSM strobe slant, and if you look underneath, it's a 15 candela MT. So this is my Wheelock MT-12-LS. Now you may be saying, wait, 12 volts? I assure you it works fine on 24 volts. In fact, the horn module actually has a jumper that you can switch between 12 and 24 volts, and it's on 24. And on 24 volts, the strobe does flash pretty fast, but that's pretty typical with these strobes. So there it is. It's a slightly less common Wheelock MT. So yeah, there it is. It's on continuous horn, wired for 4-wire operation, as I usually do, so we'll be hearing that nice obnoxious horn. Actually, I can't remember. It's either on continuous or code 3. I can't quite remember, but we'll see. So with that said, let's go ahead and pull the alarm. Alright, so I'm going to pull this, and I'm not going to have it sound for very long because it is very loud and it is kind of late at night, so I'm not going to go step and look at it from a different angle, but we'll look at some audible silence. And as you can see, that strobe does flash pretty fast. Let's do something a little different. Let's turn off the lights real quick. That's kind of cool looking, not gonna lie. And now I gotta let the camera refocus, but there it is. There's a nice little shot of audible silence. Alright, let's reset this pull station real quick. So we'll obviously lift the stopper. And you can see right there, there's a model number. It's got reset instructions and model number and the manufacturing date, which as you can see was June 24th, 1993. So I've got my notifier key right here that we'll put in the pull station and turn it. Close it and put it back just like a BG-8, because that's really all this is, a dual action BG-8. Put the stopper back and we're good. So we'll go walk back over to the panel and hit reset. All right. So that is the end of today's video. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the links in my description. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.